Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I have a super cool summer haul for you. So you see here I have a ton to show you, and this is something I'm going to use for the upcoming project. So you see a lot of lovely colors. It's going to be a lot of light wool, so cotton and similar materials. And yeah, I have a lot to show you, so I'm going to move all of this out of the way. So let's get started. The first yarn that I have is called Fashion Cotton Spray. So this was on sale when I bought it. So this is 50 grams and 170 meters, 100% cotton. It's for a 5mm crocheting hook or knitting needles. And yeah, let me see if I have more. I think I have 2 balls. So yeah, it's gonna be super pretty. You see all of the colors here. It's really playful, and I think it's gonna be great to work with. So yeah, I'm really excited to try it out. I think we can make great shawls or maybe even light summer scarves with this wool. So I'm gonna try to zoom in and show you the colors that we have. So it's not just one thread. You can see here the beginning. So you can spray it here. It's like a little netted yarn. There we go. So it does have a nice structure. And yeah, this is wool number 1. So then we have the Creative Nature 50 grams, 150 meters. It's for a 3.5mm hook or crocheting needles, knitting needles. And yeah, I think it's lovely. It's a really different texture, and I think I'm gonna make a bag or something like that out of this. So you see this pinkish shade that I have, and yeah, I'm not gonna do anything that I'm gonna wear around my neck with this, just because it's a little bit rougher. It's out of hemp this time, and you can definitely notice that it's a little bit rougher and not so soft. So it's a doubled yarn. And yeah, I'm still really excited to try it out for different projects. So you see here the color, it's called Creative Nature, and yeah. That was number 2. Number 3 is Fashion Jersey, so let me see the size. 50 grams, 72 meters, 64% cotton and 36% polyamide. And yeah, you can see the awesome color here. I have it in a very light beige, maybe white, and in pink. So this is for a 7mm needle or hook. And yeah. And I wanted to show you the colors. So this is color number 9. This is 22. So a lot of pretty colors here. And you can pull it a little bit apart, and then you can see the same netted structure that we had on the last one as well. So now I have the color spray. It's 80% acrylic, 20% nylon, 50 grams, 75 meters for a 7mm hook. And the color is number 1. And you can see here, it's just one piece of thread, but it's colored all the way through. It reminds me of the sprinkle yarn we used before. And yeah, it looks sprayed. Yeah, looks really cool. I'm really excited to use it. And I have here 3 balls for our project. So stay tuned for a project that's coming really soon with this wool. Then we have here Superba Tweed. So we don't have any cotton in here. It's a little bit warmer than the rest. And yeah, it's for socks basically. So you see here we can make 2 socks or 100 grams total. And I'm gonna show you what we have. So 100 grams, 375 meters, 60% wool, 30% polyamide, 7% acrylic, and 3% viscose. So it's called Tweed, and it has these little sprinkles on here. So in blue and red is what I can see now, but I think it looks wonderful and I love the color. So this is the color number 3 if you would like to use the exact same one. So as I said, it's a little bit warmer, but I want to try out doing some socks. So I'm really excited to show you that really soon. And here is another one I got on sale. So it's called a Fashion Balance BK, and it's 50 grams, 150 meters. It's 50% cotton and 50% modal. I think that's something like nylon. And it's for a 5mm hook or needle, and you can see again this netted pattern or structure that makes it really light and doesn't get too warm to wear. So I have here 2 little balls and I'm really excited to use them. I love the color here. So I think this is going to be the first one that I'm going to do. So stay tuned, there's an upcoming video. So to sum it up, I have here the color spray that we started with. So this wasn't on sale, but it was still pretty cheap. Then we had the tweed here. So I'm not naming any prices because I don't know where you live, it might depend. But yeah, this is for socks. Then we have the jersey here, that's the lighter one in 3 colors. And then we have the 2 that I found on sale. And last but not least, the hemp one, it's called Nature. And yeah, these are all from Rico Design, my favorite brand. So I'm gonna use these really soon and I'm really excited to show you new projects with this. If you enjoyed the video and would like to see more, feel free to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button. And if you'd like to stay updated with all of the new videos that I'm going to post, then you can even click on the notification bell and you'll get notified. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!